guys, welcome back to my channel for a CVS haul video, and thank you all for joining me once again. I actually filmed this on Sunday and I wasn't able to upload it, and I'm sorry for the late upload. Only thing missing at this point will be the CoverGirl Ibotta rebates. They are no longer available, and I did only one transaction in this video with a 10 of 70 net purchase CRT. I also found some summer clearance items and I picked up a few, and I'll show that at the end of the video. My first deal is on Scope mouthwash, and they're on sale for $4.94, and when you buy two, you get $5 back. I'm going to pick up two, and both will total $9.88. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $6.88, and I'll get 5 back, which will end up making these two just $1.88 or 94 cents each. Next thing I'm adding to this transaction will be on Axe body wash. They're on sale for buy one get one half off, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. And they are priced at $6.49. I'm going to pick up two. The first one will be full price, and because of the buy one get one half off, the second one will be $3.25. These two will total $9.74. We have a 5 off 2 digital coupon that will drop it down to $4.74, and I'll get 3 back, making both just $1.74 or 89 cents each. The next body wash deal I have here will be on Nivea Men. They are part of the buy 2 get 7 back limit of 1 per week, and they are priced at $6.29. I'm going to pick up two. These two will total $12.58. We only have a $2 digital coupon, but we have a $2 reimbursement from Shopkick. So using just the $2 digital coupon will drop it down to $10.58, and I'll get 7 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Shopkick for $2 back on the second item I didn't use coupon on. After that $2 back, these two will end up costing just $1.58 or 79 cents each. The next deal I'm adding to this transaction will be on Garnier Fructis shampoo or conditioner. They're on sale for $2 for $8, and when you buy two, you get $3 back. And I'll pick up two of the leave-in conditioners. They are part of this deal. We have a 3 off 2 digital coupon we received this last Sunday, and we also got one last 2 Sundays. So if you didn't use yours, those two can double dip and take off 6. That will leave me to pay just $2 and get $3 back, making these two free and $1 money maker. Next deal I have is on CoverGirl Cosmetics. They're on the deal of buy two get 6 back, limit of 1 per week, and I'll pick up two of the Perfect Blend pencils priced at $5.79 each. These two will total me $11.58. We have a $4 mystery offer that everybody received, which will drop it down to $7.58, and I'll get 6 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for $2 back on each. That means I'll get $4 back from Ibotta. And after the Ibotta rebate, these two will end up being free and $2.42 money maker. The next deal I have will be on Snuggle Fabric Conditioner. They're on sale for $8.99, and when you buy one, you get $3 back. I'm going to pick up one, pay the $8.99 and get $3 back. Then I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for $1.25, which will end up making this just $4.74. The next deal I'm adding to this transaction will be on Persil detergents. They're on sale for $2 for $12, no extra care box back. I'll pick up two. I'm going to use these two $2 hang tags for each one of them. That will take off 4, dropping it down to 8, and I'll submit my receipt to Ibotta for $1.50 back on each. That means I'll get back $3 from my Ibotta, which will end up making this just $5 for both or $2.50 each. This is everything I'm picking up with my 10 of 70, and the total for everything you're looking at will be $72.77. I have $34 in coupons and CRTs, and that includes the 10 of 70. After this comes off, it will drop it down to $38.77, and I'm going to use some extra care box to lower my out-of-pockets. Let's go over my receipt and see how everything worked out. These are all the items I picked up. It's a bit long, but let's focus on the coupon section. The first one is the Axe coupon. The 5 off 2 came off, and you can see the 2 Garnier Fructis digital coupon double dipped and took off 6. All the rest of the coupons came off. The only problem I had with this transaction was one of my Persil coupon wasn't scanning, So what the cashier did was take the coupon but issued me an extra $2 extra care box. The 10 out 70 came off and the $4 cover gear also applied. I ended up using $37 extra care box with this transaction, paid $1.76 out of pocket plus tax, and I got back $7 for buying 2 Nivea Men body wash, $6 back for the CoverGirl cosmetics, $3 back for the Axe body wash, $5 back for the Scope mouthwash, another $3 back for the Snuggles, and the last $3 I got is for the Garnier Fructis. I ended up getting $27 extra care box back in this transaction, and I submitted my receipt to Ibotta, and I got back $1.25 for the Snuggle, $2 back on each parcel, a total of $4 for that deal, and $2 back on each CoverGirl eye pencil. That means I got back $8.25 from Ibotta, and I submitted my receipt to Shopmium for $2 back on the second Nivea body wash. And after the extra care box I got back, the Ibotta rebate and the Shopmium, this transaction ended up costing me just $1.52 or 12 cents per item. These are the items I actually picked up, but at the end of this video, I will show you what my store have. The 7-foot beach umbrella was originally priced at $39.99, but it's on sale for $9.99. The adjustable table clamp on clearance for 75 cents, and the speakers were on sale for $4.99 each, and the Life is Good basket originally priced at $19.99 on clearance for $4.99. The 2 cups are on clearance for $3.75 each, and the wind-up boot is on clearance for $125. So is the splash balls on clearance for $125. I'm not going to include what I spent on the clearance items in my total today because these are just something I did for fun. And I'm going to leave the rest of the video to play out. But before I go, thank you all for watching. Thank you all for all your support, and I'll talk to you all next time. Bye.